Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2022 Mercedes-Benz EQS. This is finished in Obsidian black metallic. This is the 580 4MATIC. And you'll notice the big 21-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels. This is fully electric with four-wheel regenerative braking. This is equipped with the aerial surround view camera system. And you'll notice up here in the grille that you have the little Mercedes logos everywhere. You have the front and rear parking sensors, collision mitigation, and right here to the driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no damage. Back here to the driver rear wheel, same as the front, really good shape, no damage, no curb rash. There is one little spot I saw back here, and it's just below the trunk. And back here to the passenger rear, same as the others, really good shape, no curb rash, no damage. This does have blind spot monitor. And finally up here to the passenger front, same as the others, great shape, no curb rash. Nice clean bill of health. We did replace the rear brake pads and rotors in service, so those are nice and new. And to the interior, you see black leather, and you'll notice this Alcantara look trim with the contrast stitching. Burmester sound system, Mercedes-Benz all-weather floor mats, and the illuminated door sill guards. And memory settings there for the driver's seat. These are 3-stage heated and cooled seats. And you're going to see the huge 17.7-inch OLED display and the full digital instrument cluster. Super cool car. Very unique. If you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1040.